Midnight Mechanics here. You okay, Violet? It's my daughter. My other daughter. And it's not midnight. It's close. It's 8 o'clock. Oh, don't touch that, Vi. And what are we working on? Hi, Violet. Say hi, Vi. What's that? Be careful with that. What is that? What is that? We are working on a Whirlpool washing machine. Washing machine stopped. The pump started leaking. There was water all over the floor. So we got the old pump out. Yeah, thank you. We're going to put the new one in. We're going to see if that solves our water leak problem. Just 3 screws to take it out. A connector, electrical connector, and the drain hose. And that's it. And what do you think, Violet? So we'll see if that works. And pretty easy repair you can do yourself. You know, probably cost you a couple $100 to have the service guy out. It's at least a $75 service charge just to look at it. And I could see the water leaking off of the old pump. So looked out the part number based on the model number. We're in on Amazon, $26. Next day it was here. Heck, it's been 2 days. It's been here. I haven't even done anything with it because I was working on the CRV. So, hey, hopefully this fixes it. We can get a few more years out of the washer without having to spend a few $100s on a washer right now. All right, let's not hit the new one. Violet, don't hit the new one. Don't hit that. All right, Violet, say Midnight Mechanic. Say Midnight Mechanic. Don't stab the phone. All right, bye, guys.